galaxy friend. We set sail to reach the end. Our destination is quite soon. Me and my dog off to the moon. We flew through the starlit sky with a sparkle in my eye, facing the unknown, feeling so alive. Together we'll survive. To the moon and back we'll fly. Taking my dog to the moon. Gonna howl at the earth from up high. Riding on a cosmic balloon. Exploring the galaxy with my guide. And my guide. Of the universe, taking my dog to the moon. Gonna howl at the earth from up high. Riding on a cosmic balloon. Exploring the galaxy with my guide. And my guide. Taking my dog to the moon. Gonna howl at the earth from up high. Riding on a cosmic dog to the moon. Gonna howl at the earth from up high. Riding on a cosmic balloon. Exploring the galaxy with my guide. My guide.